Charlene here from Radical Feng Shui from Oceanside on the coast. And today I'm back to start the next three, which is about the northeast area of the Bagua, which is the knowledge area, self-actualization, and it's all about the earth energy. It's the last of the three earth areas I'm presenting. The first one was number 2 quite a while ago. It's the mother energy. The second one was the center, the Tai Chi, the number 5, and now we're at the 8. And there's a relationship between all earth laws, but I'll get that into that in my third video in the opposite. So this is the first of 3, and I want to talk about knowledge and what that means in design. Okay, so know that this area is an area where we don't want to see much disturbance, and I will talk to you at length about that in the next video. But in terms of design, it's an earth wall. So we don't want too much, we don't want a lot of wood in this area. You know, by the water, lots of wood. But really, this area is fed by fire. So the energy of fire, which is the sun, it's where I'm at right now, the energy of fire. So you want to have splashes of fire. You can have beautiful lighting. You can have the color red or red-purple. Not blue-purple, red-purple. You want the area to be luxurious, quiet. I love it when it's a space for meditation. I love it when it's a space for even an office. I love it for a place of possible bedrooms. You can have bathrooms here. Just make sure that they have really good ventilation and you get that heated element in this room, and that you put, you know, aspects of fire in there, some red colors, splashes of red flowers, not phony flowers, but real ones that you can change it. We always activate a law by changing out the color of fire. So this is what I wanted to say about, it's the area that we want earth tones, and earth tones are very many colors. So right from this color, which is orange, to burgundies, to tan colors, to beiges, those are earth tones. So we want the earth area to have a balance of that, with a little stimulating fire in there, minimal water, minimal wood. So no green walls, not lots of plants, pictures of plants maybe, but not overstimulated, because earth is attacked by wood. It means that wood absorbs earth, has its way with it in order to grow. So having that in this area can be really unsettling. So that's what I wanted to say about the design in this area. And in the next part, I will talk about the symbology of the Northeast, which is a tricky area. So stay tuned for that. Watch the next video. Please subscribe. Charlene here from Radical Feng Shui on the beautiful coast of BC. Thank you.